Bitbissima nostalġika b'memorji mġedda minn tfulitu, André Rieu deskrivi dar tiegħu fil-Kastell de Torrentiès bħala ħolma.
I was reading Tintin, one of the episodes. The professor bought his castle because he sold his invention to the army, and that castle, that picture, you see the captain and the boy and the dog walking to the castle, and that's still in my head. And I thought, I want a castle.
Waqt il-kunċerti André akkumpanjat fuq il-palk minn orkestra mdaqsa li tlaħaq is-60 mużiċist, żeffina u mistiedna oħrajn.
Perfect concert. That's my mother. She's 89.
Are you enjoying the concert?
She's 89. Of je het concert leuk vond?
He just brings everything together. Just marvelous music.
Iltqajna ma' sopranos u tenuri, ir-rebbieħa tal-edizzjoni Olandiża ta' The Voice, The Kids u l-grupp Los Rios bil-Macarena.
I'm 20 years together with André. We had almost 1,600 shows till now.
Tonight is in fact the 1,600th.
Mamma mia.
For us, open air is really special because the sound is different, the sound is bigger, you have the wind, you have more people.
Winning The Voice was really a start. It was in 2021, so I was a really young little girl. And now being here on the Vrijthof with André Rieu is a big dream come true.
I think André has a perfect feeling to know what music we can play to affect all the people. And it's not only joy, we're also having very serious pieces, but it's always with a lot of emotion.
Jispikka waqt il-kunċerti ta' André Rieu l-ġmil ta' kostumi bil-bisi tal-ifjen kwalità bl-istilista ta' dawn il-kostumi elaborużi, Gozja Tarnowski, tajt li l-ispirazzjoni ewlenija Rieu hija mnebħa minn novelli u leġendi sbieħ.
Beautiful colors, beautiful designs.
Jakkumpanja l-enturaġ il-mużiċisti jkunu fejn ikunu fid-dinja il-Kok Frank għalinna li jemenu kull-jum dixijiet varji u b'ingredienti friski li jażel huwa stess.
In last year we have a small kitchen and a dining room, and I go shopping in a normal supermarket.
Temmejna sensila ta' intervisti f'Maastricht b'kummenti li ħadna minn il-ben André Pierre li huwa kruċjali fl-organizzazzjoni tal-kunċerti minn wara l-kwinti.
It is for real what is happening on stage. It's not an act. This is his passion, it's his life, it's his goal for life is to be on stage, to bring his music to, well, the world.
André Rieu ser iżur Malta f'Awwissu għal żewġ kunċerti.